We've all been there. You need instant answers for a presentation or a looming crisis, but you're staring at a blank dashboard that requires hours of manual setup. When you need to move fast, you don't have time to build a reporting engine from scratch. You just need the insights. Enter IQ Apps. Think of these as your library of pre-built Lumen by Talkwalker curated use cases. Whether you're defending your reputation, tracking a campaign, or finding your next big influencer, IQ Apps do the heavy lifting for you. Imagine you're a social lead overseeing a major product launch. You don't just want to see raw data. You need to know if your campaign is actually driving ROI, catch any early negative signals, and see how your competitors are reacting in real time. Instead of building a dashboard from scratch, you go to IQ Apps. You'll see a library of specialized apps, everything from crisis monitoring to competitive intelligence. We'll start with campaign monitoring. Once you've launched your app, it's time to make it yours. Start by selecting your campaign, and instantly you see performance across channels. You can also filter your results. You can get as granular as you need, drilling down by region, language, or even specific demographics. Maybe you want to understand who is talking. You switch the IQ app's focus to demographics and instantly see how groups are responding. Or toggle to a themes or a sentiment view to understand the why behind the numbers. You might spot a dip in perception, an early signal that you can address before it becomes a crisis. Click into any visualization to see the actual underlying posts and data points so you can understand exactly what's driving the results. Maybe a few influential creators are questioning the product, or a competitor is launching a counter campaign. Need to see how this week compares to last? Toggle between preset periods or custom date ranges. You can always edit individual widgets to change how the data is visualized so it matches exactly what your stakeholders need to see. I always recommend starting with IQ Apps as a blueprint for your own dashboards. Because they're pre-built for specific use cases, they keep your metrics consistent and save you from customization fatigue. IQ Apps take you from what's happening to here's the plan in seconds. No dashboards to build, no hours lost to set up. You're free to stop configuring and start strategizing. Because when insights are only one click away, you're always one step ahead.